In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar. By the end, your Google events will appear right inside the Calendar app on your iPhone, and any changes you make there will reflect back in Google as well. Start on your iPhone and open the Settings app. We're heading to the area where your apps keep their preferences. Scroll down to the section with your installed apps and tap Apps. In that list, find Calendar and tap it to open the Calendar settings page. This is where you manage how the Calendar app connects to your accounts. Next, go to Calendar Accounts. This page shows the accounts currently linked to your calendar. To connect Google, tap Add Account and choose Google from the options. You'll be taken to a secure Google sign-in screen. Sign into your Google or Gmail account with your usual credentials. Depending on your device, you may be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Follow the prompts until you're taken back to the account options screen. You'll now see switches for what to sync from Google. Make sure the calendar's toggle is turned on. If this switch is off, your Google events won't appear in Apple Calendar, so double check that it's enabled. When you're done, tap Save to add the account to your iPhone. Now open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Along the bottom, tap Calendars. This brings up a list of all calendars available on your device. You should see your Google Calendar listed here, and it will begin loading your events. If you don't see everything right away, don't worry. It can take a moment for the first sync to complete, especially if you have a lot of events or a slower connection. You can optionally customize how your Google Calendar appears. Tap the small info icon next to the calendar to adjust details. Here, you can enable event alerts so you get notifications, choose a color to easily distinguish Google events from others, and even rename the calendar to something that's more recognizable to you. Give the app a little time to finish downloading your events. Keeping the Calendar app open for a minute can help the initial sync complete smoothly. Once syncing is done, you'll see your Google events alongside any other calendars you use in Apple Calendar. From here on, new events you add to your Google Calendar or edits you make to those Google entries in Apple Calendar will be kept in sync so your schedule stays consistent across both apps.